Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Oracle Linux 9. Either it may be 9.0 or 9.7. 9.7 is the latest one. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Oracle Linux, that is Firefox. Go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or download Tor Browser, either is same. Then click on this download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes and it is zip file. Once download is completed, then we will open the Tor browser. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. Now extract this zip file. tar-xf. Then tar. Then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Now go to this Tor browser folder. ls. Now run this command ./start. Press the tab to autofill entire start Tor browser .desktop file. Hit enter. Don't run this with sudo user or root account. Okay. See, we got the Tor browser. Now connect to Tor. Click on connect. Or if you want to always connect automatically, you have to turn on and click on connect. See, it is connecting. Now verify the version. Help. About Tor browser. See, we have installed 15.0. okay. See, we have successfully connected to Tor, and see here DuckDuckGo is the default search engine for the Tor browser. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser latest version on Oracle Linux 9.7. as I told you, it is same on our Oracle Linux versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.